everybody, it's Jackie. Welcome back to my channel. It's so nice to see you all again. I hope you're all doing well, enjoying the summer. I wanted to talk to you today about a brand new Sephora favorite set. They just came out with like 4 new ones, and I love those sets, but they keep getting more and more and more expensive. But they have a new perfume set. They've got a new blush and glow set that has a lot of things in it. But I'm kind of a lip junkie, and they came out with the new It's Giving lip set. And I thought this was the best value. It's an $88 value. It's only $42, and it has 3 full-size products and 2 minis. So I snatched it right up. Now, I found out about it and ordered it on the 12th, the same day. And right now, I think it's sold out. So what I would do is go to Sephora, put in your email address, and they'll notify you when it comes back in stock. You definitely want to get this. So good. Full size. Clarins lip oil and cherry, Kosas weightless lip color lipstick and daydream, Makeup Forever full size artist color pencil in 606 Wherever Walnut, Summer Fridays full size lip butter balm in pink sugar, and Tarte Maracuja juicy lip plump in rosy mauve. Especially if you like warm rosy nudes, which is what I like, and all of these work together. So without further ado, let's get started. Again, it is $42. It's an $88 value. I did the math on it, and it is. So let's open it up. And I wanted to try them out. And of course, I can't get it open. Let me go get the scissors. Maybe I can, no, here we go. All right, let's go. Okay, so this is the Makeup Forever pencil. I've been hearing about this for years. Reviews are great. And actually, this is $24, but they just came out with brand new waterproof versions. These are Longwear, but they have these in waterproof for $2 more, so they're $26. But let's see what this is. I want to try this out. I've been hearing a lot of people just wear this liner all over their lips, and I love. I just broke the tip off. Did I just break the tip off? I did. I just broke the tip off. Great, Jackie. Well, let's swatch. Oh, that is beautiful. Look at that. That's nice. I bet it does last a long time. Wow. Okay. So, let's see. Now, I've been wanting to try this. This is the Tarte Plump Maracuja. And again, that's full size. And, okay, so this is the $26 item. And it is in a very compatible color. So, it's got the click stick. And I'll put it right next to, okay, so that's more like a sheer, shimmery. Actually, I think I'm going to put that on too. Just go for it. I don't feel any tingle. Just a hint of vanilla. Okay, here it goes. It's more cooling. It's a cooling than a heat, but feels really good. Not sticky. The shimmer is beautiful, actually. Oh, isn't that nice? Oh, I really, really like this. When this comes back in stock, I'm gonna order another kit because this is $26. The lip pencil's $24 right there. That's $50. That's more. This is just pleasantly cooling. I don't feel any kind of plumping. I really, you know, Tarte keeps coming out with these, and I'm always confused as which one to buy. There's so many shades, there's so many types. So That's why I've never bought any of them. And plus there's so many copycats. I know there's a lot of great copies. This feels really good, and it's like a mint cooling. It's not a hot, like I don't like the Fenty ones. Those are really hot. Wow. I love this. That is great. And totally comparable and totally beautiful. This is right up, when I saw this, I was like, it had my name written all over it. I love these warm rosy nudes. So good. Okay, so here's the Clarins Cherry, the hydrating and let me see what they call it. Hydrating and gloss. Let's see. Clarins Lip Comfort Hydrating Oil and Cherry. It's a mini. Now this is an Allure Best of Beauty winner. Like I said, these are $30, but it has this little one. I'm figuring because the full-size one is like 7 milliliters. This is like 1.4. So I'm going to guess like it's about a $7 item. But still, God, it smells so good. So cherry. I love that. But they make an excellent cherry Milani for 11 bucks. The Fruit Fetish lip oils are very, very nice if you don't want to spend this kind of money. But if you get this kit, you can get the sample and see what you like. But that is really, really good. My lips are cooling a little bit more, but good. This, let me just show you. This is a clear cherry. It'll give you a very, like a popsicle. God, it smells so good. Mmm, delicious. Love that. That is a wonderful thing to have. That's the only item that I actually owned already. Next, we have the full-size Summer Fridays. This is the Lip Butter Balm in Pink Sugar. This is very, very, I bought a Summer Fridays in the vanilla beige. And I don't know if I just got a bad one or what, but I didn't get the hype, and there wasn't that much in the tube. I had to squeeze. Maybe, I don't know what the deal was. I returned it and I got really turned off. So I'm happy to give it another try in a kit. So, oh wow. This does smell like Pink Sugar. And this is also an Allure Best of Beauty winner. Pink Sugar. God, it smells good. That does smell good. Let's see if it's got any color to it. It's just got like that clear. Oh, that's like a rubber tip. That's nice. I like the tip on it. I don't think the other one I had. I mean, that just smells like pure cotton candy. Just a clear pink shiny. Wow. I think I'm going to have a better go round with this Summer Fridays than I did with the vanilla beige. Again, that's a $24 item, so that's great. And then the last little thing is a Kosas. It is the Weightless Lip Color Nourishing Satin Lipstick in Daydream. And I've already got stuff on my mouth, but that is, again, a real pretty rosy. This kit is so, that's really pretty. This kit is so cohesive as far as, you know, a lot of times, like, I don't like when they do the reds for Christmas. I don't wear those, really. I mean, I've got one Maybelline Satin Ink I love, but, and I still, my Revlon Ultimate Liquid Lipstick in Nude 01 is still my everyday. I have to get it from the website. I can still find it here and there. But this is a fantastic kit. I can't wait to try that lipstick. But if you are into rosy nudes, wow, what a value. I love it. Gotta love it. Wow. Okay, so that's gonna do it for this one. My name is Jackie. Please like, subscribe, leave me a message. I know it's been a long time since I talked to you. I've been trying to figure out what I'm gonna do with my channel, if I'm gonna keep going. I mean, I just think that there are so many girls on the platform who do it so much better than I do, but they tell you to find your niche or whatever, and I think my niche is that I'm a makeup hoarder, or collector, whatever you want to call it. I called myself a collector for a while, but now I'm hoarding makeup. Most of it is unused. I thought about maybe opening up a makeup museum, or maybe a girls hangout where you could come in for makeovers. I do sell some of it on eBay, but I realized that I don't declutter my makeup. I love my makeup. I like to look at it. I like shiny things. I don't buy as much as I used to because eyeshadow palettes were really my thing, and I don't really like to do a whole lot of indie because you can't try it first, and I've been burned so many times. But I have so much great makeup, I don't need it anyways. So what I was thinking about doing with my channel is showing you my hoard. Because I don't think anybody is doing that at all on the channel. Everybody's decluttering, getting rid of stuff. And I can go back, makeup history, and just open up. I've got most of my stuff organized by brand. I have boxes and boxes and boxes and plastic tubs. Everything's labeled, everything's organized. So that's how I call it a collection, but it's hoarding. And I'm a makeup hoarder. I've been obsessed since I was a child. I remember we used to get a nickel to walk to the store to buy penny candy. And I would take that nickel and I would walk by yard sales and I would buy makeup. I would buy nail polish. I remember buying Avon used whatever, and I've always been obsessed with makeup. And then, but when I was growing up, makeup wasn't as good. I mean, we got carded Maybelline stuff that you couldn't open, or, you know, it was just like you couldn't, it's not like today where you can try things and get samples. And anyways, so I've got a humongous collection that I was thinking about inventorying. I could do a whole series that would last me for at least a year to open up boxes and inventory and just go down that makeup history road. And anyways, so I think that's what I might do, because I'm not into, I mean, I really love the Sephora favorites kits. I even have a hoard of Sephora. I mean, I remember when you could get Sephora favorites kits for like 29 bucks. Or makeup last stashes that had like 10 things in them. Most of those I've broken down and thrown away the packaging and stuff because it was just too much. But I don't know, I thought it might be fun to just own up to what I am, and show you my collection. And I'm an anti-declutter, and I thought that might be fun. So anyways, yeah, I don't think anybody could beat me on that deal. But anyways, okay, so let me know what's up, how you been, and just wanted to say hello, and I hope everybody's okay. It's, yeah, talk to you soon. Love you, bye.